Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Wrx Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how to use your center screen in your 2018 Subaru Wrx Sti. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go to the center console, and we're going to go to the center screen right here. And you would think, how do I control this little screen right here? Well, you cannot actually control it from the main screen. It actually has its own set of buttons right here, which is next to the hazards. So all you have to do, of course, you have three options on how to control this. You have up, down. So let me show you. So up and then down and then enter if you want to go to the settings for this screen. So let's get started. So on the very top, you have of course, your clock and stuff. And then the date and all that. You also have your time, and then the climate control and the outside temperature, which is really neat. And then right here you have your trip computer, your miles per gallon, and the miles that you have remaining on your vehicle. This one controls all your G-force and how your wheels and suspension are working, and the center differential as well. And I forgot one thing. You could see that the traction control is either on or off. It will illuminate orange for you if it is. And then this one, as you can see, you can see all the boost gauge. Again, your miles per gallon, and then the acceleration speed, or the throttle percentage, depending on how much you're stepping on the gas pedal. And then this one gives you a full detail of the boost gauge and everything, and the acceleration and stuff like that. And then this one, you could enter. Let me hold it, and then right there, you get all the settings: maintenance, screen setting, driving history, car settings, and yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. And like I said, my name is Austin from Wrx Acura, and thank you guys for watching.